Hello, it's today I'm going to show you how to properly use a manual breast pump for milk expression. It's a simple, inconvenient tool for breeding moms, especially when you need to express meal quickly and is hustle. Let's get started. Here's the breast pump. As you can see, it is an easy-to-use handle for pumping and a white flange that fits snugly against the breast. The meal container is detachable, making storage super easy. It's made of safe plastic and can be sterilized after each use. Now, let's see how to use it. I'll apply the flange to my breast, making sure it covers the nipple completely. Then, I gently press the handle to create